puso ay tumatama. Bahagi ka ng buhay ko. Kahit may pagubay, kahit nalilihim pa, kita ko sa iyong mata, tayong dalawa'y isa. Puso ang siyang nagsasabi ay kay kahati ng aking kaluluwa. At kahit pa hindi sabihin ay naman ang puso na ikaw ay ako. Wagas na pag-ibig, hindi magbabago. Sa pag-isa kung naroon ka sa isip ko'y kasama ka. Tumataya ang puso sa gusto ng ating tugo. Tunay na pagmamahal ay hindi maglalaho. Puso ang siyang nagsasabi ay kahati ang aking kaluluwa. Kahit pa hindi sabihin ay naman ang puso na ikaw ay ako. Wagas na pag-ibig ay di magbabago. Puso ang siyang nagsasabi ay kay kahati ng aking kaluluwa. At kahit pa hindi sabihin ay naman ang puso na ikaw ay ako. Wagas na pag-ibig ay di
Ladies and gentlemen, for 2026, we have Francis. Palakpakan po natin, Francis! Wow, grabe yung feelings naman masyado, Francis. How are you, Francis?
I'm very good, but I'm very sad
Why?
because my partner is not here. Supposed to be we are two tonight,
Yes.
but unfortunately my partner gets sick, so I decided to sing alone. But a while ago I tried to find my partner to make a duet the same
Yes.
time,
Uh-huh.
but then that time is running out, so we cannot able to do it. So I tried to
Yes,
find-
that's okay, Francis. Actually, medyo performance. Each and every one of us, they are really happy with their performance. And with that, I mean, being alone here is never an hindrance for you to perform tonight, di ba? Palakpakan naman natin, Francis. And yes, of course, with that, Francis, sige, question ko. Kanino ma-dedicate yung song mo earlier?
Ikaw ay ang meaning it's like one. You and me as one.
Oh.
So, first I dedicate it to myself because like I'm related to the song. So once you sing a song, you should just be relate to yourself there. So it's for me.
Yeah, exactly. I can actually feel the storytelling while you are singing earlier. Do you agree, ladies and gentlemen? The storytelling actually showed it earlier. And of course, if you are going to rate it from on a scale of 1 to 10, how confident are you sa performance mo earlier?
I will make it 9.9 because mine is not here.
9.9, yes. Okay, makes sense. But thank you so much, Francis.
Thank you.
See you later.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.